Okay, this is a stock little plate that goes on here, but I decided just sitting here looking at me, so I'm going to go ahead and install this on there. So if you look at this, has a notch for the wires to go to the rear. This one doesn't. I'm going to go ahead and real quick cut it using a cutting wheel. You don't really need to measure, just kind of just start cutting. And it's okay if you get a little right here because you're going to have the top cover it. Don't worry about it. And just get a file. And I'm going to use a kind of curved eye-shaped file and a rat tail and just kind of clean it up. You just don't want any sharp edges, because sharp edges that are metal plus wire, yeah, it's not good. So just make sure it's all nice and clean. It doesn't have to look pretty. Well, it does sort of, but you know. Let's make it nice. Just round the corners so it's nice. Usually if you do the finger test, if you fail the finger test, you bleed, that means go at it again. And that looks good. Simple test is, look at it. Yeah, you have room. So, it's good.